So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to fix CashApp payment failed error. So now let's begin. So to do this, what we need to do first is open our Cash App. And if you have this problem, one thing we need to make sure is that we have enough balance to transfer. Another one is if the transaction method that we are choosing is not available. So in that case, try to change the transaction method. But if the problem still persists, the problem is not in our side but on the receivers. So sometimes CashApp detects some spam accounts or suspicious account. So what CashApp do is protect our account by failing the transaction. So if this happens and you think it is some kind of mistake, what we can do is go to our profile section and then scroll down and find support. You can just tap on chat and here you can chat with their tech support. And that's how to fix Cash App payment failed error. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.